Let's make our bear keychain together. This tutorial is not one of the easiest, but I believe you can do it. So let's start. You're going to grab your yarn and your scissors and your paper towel or toilet paper tube. So I'm going to show you this method. You can either roll it around this 50 times, or you can use your hands like that, with your 4 fingers, and you roll it around this 50 times. You just keep rolling and keep rolling and keep rolling like that. It's gonna get tighter, but that's fine. Once you're done rolling, you're going to cut it out. You're going to cut it out, and you're going to, as you're cutting it out, as you're pulling out your rolled yarn, make sure that you keep this center like I did, and you're going to then cut out a little yarn and tie the middle like what I did. So you're going to do, so that's the body. Now we want to make the hairs. You're going to now take 2 fingers and roll it 20 times. So this is 20 times. You're going to cut out a little bit again. Keep the center. We want the center to be there, and you're going to cut out a little yarn and tie the middle of our yarn. Again, you're going to do this the 3rd time. Once you're done, you cut it out, keep the center just like that, and tie your yarn in the middle like that. This is what we're aiming for. You're going to make 3. Once we're done making the 3, we're then going to cut out the yarn in the middle. We want to cut out all the loops that we made, and you're going to start trimming it down. So this is like the hardest part of the whole thing. You're going to start trimming it down. You're going to press everything together like I'm doing. Press it down and trim. You're going to use your scissors to just cut it out. I mean, we're going for we're trying to make a pom-pom, so this is what it looks like. You can leave it like this if you're satisfied with what you have. Just keep trimming until you get this round ball shape. You're going to do the same for the hairs too. Cut out the loop we made, and you're just going to trim it down. You're going to keep moving your hands. Once you get that shape, roll it around your palms just to make it round, and just like that. Just like that. You're going to do this for the 3. And now that we're done, you're then going to grab the body of your bear, and you're going to make it O. Just use your hand to make like a little bit of O by the side and glue your hairs just like that. Going to do, we just did the first one. We're going to do the second one. Just make a hole in it and glue it down like that. Can you see it's taking shape? It's taking shape. So that's our bear. Now we want to add the eyes and the nose, like what we did for our pipe cleaners. You're going to grab your black flat beads and just put glue and glue down your eyes and your nose just like I have here. And that's all you need to do to now make our thread that we can put our pipe. Now you're going to thread your needle. You're going to use the same color of yarn. You're going to thread your needle just like that. You're going to thread and make sure that you secure the ends of your yarn. Once you're done, you're going to grab your bear, and just at the center of the edge, you're going to then thread it, and that will form the yarn that you're going to put your keychain on. Once you're done, you pull it out and tie it tightly, the front and the back. You're going to tie, and you just cut out any excess yarn that's popping out, and we've made our bear. You then grab your keychain and attach it to it. And that's all you have to do. You just made your bear keychain.